living in one roof. Nakahubad pa parati si Mateo.
Choosy ka pa ba sa housemate?
Di ba hindi na siya na?
Oo naman. Good morning, agad-agad.
Yes. How's the team up? Kumusta kayong dalawa doon na at least kayo sa isa't isa?
Una?
Yes,
Good
Mateo.
afternoon po. Unang-una, sa umpisa, kinakabahan talaga ako dahil sabi nila Shaina yung partner ko. At
Bakit naman?
kasi I've never worked with Shaina before, and she's been in the industry a longer time, diba? So she's very experienced, a great dramatic actress, alam mo yun? So, kinakabahan ako eh. But the first few days we had script reading with Direk, nag-gel kami. We had I don't know, it was easy working with her dahil half Bisaya din siya, alam mo? So, it was very, very nice working with her, alam mo yun? It was automatic for us on set. We did not have to try, we just had to be our character, so it just happened.
Shaina?
Ako pa personally, I was really very excited dahil nga hindi naman nagkukrus ang landas namin ni Mateo. Not even on stage sa ASA because he is a singer, I am a dancer. So hindi po talaga kami nagsasama. But with the story and all, dun ko, kasi ako parang ngayon, I look forward to new things. Like ito, new team-ups. Since bago rin siya for me. So definitely, bago rin ang makikita ng mga manonood, diba? Dahil sa tagal ko na yata sa industry. So yun, personally, wala akong problema sa kanya. But ako, no, sa screen, noong una, hindi ko ba, sabi ko, may chemistry ba kami? That's why I kept on asking Direk. Sabi ko, Direk, how's the episode, the first episode? And then they said, nakakakilig or nakakatawa. And then I'm like, talaga, nakakakilig kami. Kasi the series is really funny without even parang trying. So, yun po. At least kayo po bilang manonood, makikita ninyo yung kakaibang, I think yun yung tinatawag nilang chemistry.